Hello my pixie friends and silver sisters. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie-Jessica. I talk a lot about gray hair and styling this pixie, which is very grown out at the moment. Way overdue for a trim. The last appointment that I had, I usually go every 5 weeks, and my appointment fell during a week of snow, so I didn't get to go, and then her schedule was packed, so I am almost at double time of when I usually like to get my hair done. So I'm going to style my hair wavy today because there is so much length to it that I feel like if I go upward with it, it's going to fall, and then I've got this, which is really grown out too much, and I really don't know how this is going to go. So let's get to it. Before we get going with this super grown out hair, I do want to show you my shirt. How cute is this? It says life is too short for boring hair with this little pixie hair emblem. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's see what I can do with this hair. I am going to style my hair wavy today, so I am going to start with it wet. When you have wavy or curly hair, the best thing you could do for your hair is water. Lots of hydration. I'm going to be using products from Inner Sense today. I absolutely love this brand, especially when I'm styling my hair wavy. Their products are super organic and they have a good balance between moisture and protein. Protein helps support the wave or the curl of your hair. And some people can have protein sensitive hair. My hair absolutely loves it. So I'm going to go in with I Create Volume. I'm going to emulsify this in my hands and just run this through my hair. The next product I'm going to use is I Create Hold. This is a gel. Again, I'm going to give it a shake just to make sure it hasn't separated. And I used 1 pump. And again, I'm going to emulsify this in my hands. I'm going to add a little bit more water to the top. And I'm just going to kind of scrunch this in. Now that I have that in, I am going to brush this undercut section of my hair down since it's just long enough to be problematic. And I am going to go in and root clip so that my hair is going all in the direction that I want it to go. Because it is a little bit longer, it's not going to stand straight up. It's going to be more to the side. Yes, I am parting my hair to the side. How very Gen X of me. And then I'm also going to add some root clips throughout my hair, and I'm just pinching different sections of wave that I have and holding them up. That way more airflow will get through towards the root of my hair and it won't take as long to dry. And it will also start to hold in a position that is favorable to what I am wanting. Now that I have all of my product in and my hair is root clipped to help it guide to the direction that I want it to go, and I have somewhat brushed down this undercut so that that's not going a little awry, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse. I'm going in with the Dyson dryer with the diffuser attachment. I'm going to set this on medium speed and low heat, and I'm going to hold it away from my hair, which is called hover diffusing. That way I'm not manipulating the wave of it too much. Now that my hair is a little bit more than halfway dry, I'm going to go ahead and take these root clips out. If you're following the Curly Girl method, this is the only product I'm using today that is not Curly Girl approved, and it's because it does have a drying alcohol in it. I'm using that drying alcohol in my favor. I'm going to spray this on my damp hair now, and it will help dry my hair faster. And now I'm going to finish up diffusing with no heat and low speed, and I'm going to put it closer to my hair now. Now at this point your hair is crunchy. It's a little ramen noodle package-esque. So you want to make sure that your hair is all the way dry. I don't like breaking this cast on my hair if it's even the littlest bit damp, because then you really welcome in a lot of frizz. So I'm just kind of breaking up any cast on this part that I have brushed by running my fingers over it. And that's that crunchiness. It's a cast. It's the gel on the outside of the wave or curl structure. And we're going to break that up to unleash some soft, bouncy, wavy curls. And just going like this is enough to break that cast up. All right, there we have it. I will give you a 360 pixie wavy tour. Now, if you are looking for some extra hold, or if you're looking for some flexibility, some maneuverability with your hair, that's when I would go back in with the I Create Finish hairspray from Inner Sense. Or if you're looking for even more flexibility with that hold, you could use the Kevin Murphy Touchable Spray Wax. These products are not Curly Girl Method approved. However, the I Create Volume and I Create Hold are. And I will put a link to my Amazon shop because I've selected all of my favorite hair products, and you can find them all there. All right, friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I finally styled my hair. It's been really fun to have it grow out a little bit so that I could play with my natural wavy texture. However, I am looking forward to a hair appointment in the next couple of days so that I can get that straight up look I like. If you've enjoyed this video and or found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, I would appreciate it if you would give this video a like and drop a comment. Believe it or not, those things help my channel and I greatly appreciate them. If you've not yet, hit that subscribe button so we can hang out more often. When things are going well, I like to post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Sometimes I take a break because mental health is a priority. So that's it for me today. I will see you again in a couple of days. If you would like to hang out with me outside of YouTube, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. All right, guys, have a good one.